The Trump administration has acted again, this time deporting roughly 250 immigrants to El Salvador. The move, shrouded in controversy, targeted individuals alleged to be members of the notorious Venezuelan gang, Tren de Aragua. Despite a last-minute temporary restraining order from a U.S. district judge, the deportation flights proceeded, landing the deportees in a nation grappling with its own internal struggles. The White House maintains it acted within its rights, asserting the planes were already en route when the court order came down. This audacious maneuver has ignited a firestorm of criticism, with legal experts and human rights organizations denouncing the move as a blatant disregard for due process and a dangerous precedent for future administrations. The Trump administration, however, remains defiant, justifying the deportations as a necessary measure to safeguard national security and crack down on criminal elements within the United States. At the heart of this controversy lies the rarely invoked Alien Enemies Act of 1798. A relic of a bygone era, this law grants the executive branch sweeping powers to detain and deport non-citizens deemed enemy combatants during times of war. Critics argue that invoking this archaic statute in the absence of a declared war against Venezuela sets a dangerous precedent and opens the door to potential abuses of power. The administration's decision to utilize this law, especially given the existing temporary restraining order, has further inflamed tensions between the executive and judicial branches. This move is seen by many as part of a larger pattern of the Trump administration's attempts to circumvent legal constraints and assert expansive presidential authority. Adding another layer of complexity to the situation is the role of El Salvador. The small Central American nation, grappling with its own issues of gang violence and poverty, agreed to accept the deportees. The deal, brokered by Senator Marco Rubio, includes a $6 million payment from the United States to cover the costs of housing and processing the individuals for a year. President Nayib Bukele has defended his decision, emphasizing the financial benefits for his country and the shared interest in combating transnational gangs. However, human rights groups have raised concerns about the conditions these deportees will face in El Salvador's overcrowded and often dangerous prison system. The Trump administration's actions have drawn condemnation from various corners of the globe. The Venezuelan government, in a scathing statement, denounced the use of the Alien Enemies Act, drawing parallels to dark chapters of history marked by xenophobia and human rights abuses. The United Nations has also expressed concerns about the deportations, urging all nations to uphold international law and respect the rights of migrants. Within the United States, the deportations have deepened the partisan divide, with Democrats largely condemning the move as cruel and reckless, while some Republicans have voiced support for the administration's tough stance on immigration. This latest chapter in the Trump administration's immigration saga raises profound questions about the rule of law, the limits of presidential power, and America's moral standing in the world. As legal challenges wind their way through the courts and the human toll of these deportations comes into sharper focus, one thing is certain: the debate over immigration in America is far from over.
Hey, we all want to scale our business. Hey, I have the answer for you today to help you do that. If you're looking to scale from 5, 6, even 7 figures and beyond, book called Be Good, Be Brief, Be Gone. I'm going to give it to you for free. All you have to do is type in growfast.cash. I say again, growfast.cash, and you can download the book for absolutely free. I hope the book helps you this year. Take your business to the next level. Again, go grab the book, growfast.cash. I say again, growfast.cash. I wish you the best and grow, scale, and win.
There it is. Magnum. Holy moly.
Yeah, baby! That's what I've been waiting for!
Dear God, it's beautiful.